Honestly, I'm a little disappointed. Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and today I come to you with the review of the movie Penguin, which is an Amazon exclusive release. And let's get right to it. So we have yet another crime movie from the South Indian industry, and honestly I was really excited to watch this movie after the trailer dropped, and my trailer review is also there. You can check that video as well. I'll put the link in the top. But the trailer looked amazing. It looked very intriguing. The storyline looked interesting. But honestly, I was a little disappointed today after watching the movie, and I will tell you why. Okay, so this is going to be a quick non-spoiler review. So the story in a gist is basically revolving around a mother who is looking for her missing child and is basically in the hunt of its kidnapper. Now, while she is in hunt of her child's kidnapper, she is also pregnant with her second child. The lead performance here is done by Keerthi Suresh, and honestly, she has done a fabulous job. If not for her, I would have probably left the movie halfway and just shut my laptop. Now, Keerthi's performance is extremely honest and it shows that she has completely surrendered herself to the director's vision. But it's not enough because her performance has been completely wasted because of a very weak script. The storyline is my biggest problem in the movie. I mean, without a good story, especially for a crime, not just a crime movie, any kind of genre, be it romantic, crime, comedy, if you do not have a strong story and script, you put the best actors, you get the best people to edit it, it's not going to work out. So honestly, my biggest problem with this movie is the storyline. Overall, if you see from the outside, at macro level, the story looks great, but the entire screenplay and the scripting, and especially the final reveal or the climax, I should say, is, well, I don't want to say lame, but yeah, lame. In a crime movie, essentially you are waiting for the final reveal and the final climax where everything is put together and you are finally getting your answers that why the ordeal happened. And honestly, I was extremely disappointed, to put it very softly, at the final reveal. It just made me think that why the hell did I waste these 2 hours? I mean, you could have put anything else as the climax but this, because at least if the reveal or the climax would have been great or that payoff would have been great, I would still forgive the poor storytelling at the first half. But the second half is even much more disappointing. It's a 2-hour movie of an extremely weak and poor storytelling and very average direction. Now, I really don't want to say everything negative about the movie because there are certain strengths which I want to highlight. Number one is definitely Keerthi Suresh's performance. She is brilliant. The only thing is that I wish she would have gotten a great script with it, because her emotions are raw, they are honest, I could feel the pain, and she has really given her 100% to the script. But unfortunately, the script has failed her. The cinematography of this movie is the main highlight for me. The movie has been really beautifully shot. The director of photography has done a great job. His name is Kartik Palni, and I really want to applaud him for his work because it shouldn't go unnoticed. There are beautiful shots, like when the movie starts off, it's really beautiful, and overall how the movie has been shot is great. There is this, because it's a crime thriller, there is this constant bluish undertone in the photography to give you that creepy feeling, and yeah, that is one of the best things that I liked about the film. The hero of the film is the dog. I'm not kidding. Seriously. There is this really nice dog named Cyrus in the movie, and honestly, it's the dog and Keerthi Suresh's heavy lifting that has made this movie bearable. I also want to appreciate the sound effects and the background score of the movie because that has been done really well. I was really happy with the trailer, and that is the exact kind of background score that has been put in the movie, and that has brought in some sort of mystery to the entire storytelling. Otherwise, it would have been even worse watching. So the director and the writer of the movie is the same person. It's Ishwar Karthik, and honestly, this is one of the downfalls of this movie. I mean, you have got such a great cast with you to work with. You've got such a great technical team to work with. But if your writing and the story and the direction is not good, then it just does not matter at the end of the day. So. I think Ishwar Karthik could have handled this storyline better and could have probably had a better climax to work with. So this would have overall become a holistically good crime film, but it just did not work for me at the end of the day. Another thing which really ticked me off, I mean, are the subtitles. What is wrong with you, Amazon? I mean, you are Amazon Prime. You are not some some small streaming service. You're like one of the biggest streaming services in the world, and I'm just gonna put up screenshots here because if you see, there are words there is no spacing also between the words, and I don't speak Tamil. And for me, sometimes I had to like literally pause and see what is written here. So that is really poor subtitle work, Amazon. Not okay. I mean, I am hoping that it does not happen in the next movies. Okay, so that brings me to the end of my review of the movie Penguin. Personally, I wouldn't recommend you to watch it, but if you are a Keerthi Suresh fan, please go watch it. You will definitely like her performance, or if you have a lot of free time in hand, then also you can watch it. Otherwise, do like, subscribe and share and comment. Do let me know if you want me to review any other movie, you want me to react to anything. I would be happy to do so. Until my next video. Bye bye!